Right. 3, 2, 1. I'm just starting the video. Shut up, dog. From the noisiest neighborhood in the known universe, welcome to Smoky Goodness 2.0, YouTube's MIA barbecue and grilling channel. Today we're doing a small pork loin. It's like 1.5 pounds, something like that. It's just my son and I eating tonight. Wifey's at work. Actually, my son's at work right now too, but he'll be home probably about the time this is done. We're gonna kind of Asianize this pork loin. I'm gonna mix some Mirin and some hoisin sauce as a glaze for the pork loin. I tried it before. It's really savory. You're gonna love this. So you gotta try it. Gotta try it. Like I said, it's really savory. It's really good. And here's how we do it. Stick around. Tumbleweeds, the best fire starter there is. It's like we might have kind of a smoky fire tonight. That's okay. Mount for deflector. Deflector. All right. And we're gonna let this come up to temperature while we move on to the next step. Preparing the glaze that I'm gonna cover the pork loin with. It's gonna be great. Right, here are the stars of our show. We have the Mirin, and a hoisin. I'm gonna go about equal amounts on both of these, but if they're not perfect, that's okay. And I'm probably using a little too much, but hey, that's also okay, right? And that was easy. It's the hardest part right here, getting these two products to incorporate, but they will. Just takes a little bit of time. There we go. Gotta taste it. Oh man, these two ingredients together, I kid you not, they will crank up the flavor of anything you cook, especially pork. Stick around. Alrighty, about half an hour has passed. The grill dome has reached 300 degrees internal. We're going for 350. So it gives me ample time to prepare this. This is our little pork loin from Hormel. I'm not a sponsor, but I'm open to anything. Just kidding, maybe. So I'm gonna cut this open. By then, we should be getting really close to our target temperature inside the grill dome. And we're gonna cook this for about an hour or so until it reaches an internal temperature of about 160 degrees Fahrenheit, maybe a little bit higher. It all depends. You gotta play it by ear sometimes. So let's get this on. I think this is probably gonna be an ambulance. Give you a small taste of what we gotta put up with here all the time. See the traffic stopping. And yep, it's an ambulance. Anyway, I noticed the last video I made out here, I was having problems with my audio. It was all scratchy, it was cutting out all the time. Battery was probably low. I don't know because I haven't looked at it since then. So in case, I can see that the VU meters are acting normally. But if there's anything wrong with the audio, it's my fault. I just didn't check. I just wanted to get this started. So that's that. Anyway, let's get this thing on the grill, shall we? And we're there, 350 degrees. I didn't have to adjust accordingly. The grill dome reads my mind. So let's get it on. That's what she said. And here we go. Our 1.5 pound pork loin right over the deflector. But wait, there's more. And through the miracle of weather, this sauce, sitting out here in the cooler temperatures, has kind of thickened up a little bit. Oh, I can smell this already. It smells fantastic. trying really hard not to lose a lot of this. I'm going to reserve some of this for a bit later in the cook. Or maybe I'll just make some more. Mix up another batch. And hit all sides of this. The bottom will be later. There we go. Nice. I'm going to let this rock, like I said, for about an hour, or when it comes up to temperature. So, video producers, have you ever done this? I know you have. You hit the record button thinking that you're beginning recording, but you're not. You're ending a recording of nothing. Camera pointed at the side of the house because you thought the camera was not recording, but it was. It's happened to me twice so far today. I'm out of practice. I'll be very cognizant the rest of the way with this cook, which is about 3/4 over. We're going to be eating pretty soon, or at least I am. Family's still at work at their respective jobs. It's going to be really hard for me not to eat the whole thing, but I will do my best. Looking good, looking good. Okay, that says 169. Okay, 186. We are done. I'll have to go a little bit long here. 198. Oh, heck. That was a really short hour. That was only 45 minutes. And I say it is better to err on the side of caution than to take chances. So what I want to do, put another coat of this amazing bunch of amazingness on here. Let that set up a little bit. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, this is gonna rock. Even though it is a few degrees over temp, I don't care. It's gonna be good. All right. Just gonna close the lid long enough just for that to set up a little bit, and we'll be right back. All right. So I don't forget, close the vents right now. Bottom vent, top vent. Thank you, Mr. Grill Dome. You did your job admirably. You've done good. Oh man, does that look good or what? Oh, is it 3 clicks or 4? I should do 3. I think it's 3. Let's eat. Let's eat. How does it taste there, Mr. Smoky Goodness Guy? Let's find out. Oh yeah. Even though I cooked it a little more than I should have, it's tender as can be. You've got to try this. It is amazing.